Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you on how to share ChatGPT conversation with anyone. So to do this, you just have to open your browser, okay? And then click on this send icon from your chat. Okay, that's right. Just click on it. And then after that, you can now see the copy link option. So you just have to tap on that. And then let's try sending it to our friend. So let's try sending the link to this person. Just paste it here and then click on the send icon. So let's check it in our other app. Now we can now see the link that was sent from our friend. So let's try opening that. Then choose a browser that you want to use. Now when you open the link, you can also choose to continue this conversation. Okay, so when you click on that, you'll be able to ask a question as well. Or you can also contribute a message. Okay, so try asking a question or an opinion from that conversation. So as you can see, it will give you an answer as well. So that's it. That's how you can share a ChatGPT conversation with anyone. So don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorials in the future.